those stairs, for letting me get that extra step to continue going to work, to continue going to school. And I'm fighting for me, I'm fighting for you guys to keep such a good program to help working parents get... There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Sort of on the CIA's list.
Exactly.
I want them to bring out the news, the old list.
Yeah.
I didn't want to put my name on anything because they'll bring out that old list. They didn't have a problem with him in the 60s.
Yeah, exactly, right?
All my friends are now 1600.
Oh, geez.
You have to be very careful.
You do.
ExxonMobil, do your part! ExxonMobil, do your part! Do your part! ExxonMobil, do your part! ExxonMobil, do your part! Occidental, do your California!
Tax the oil! Tax the oil! Tax the oil!
Make some noise out there!
Woo!